1 2 1 2 set ready go. What's good, guys? I got this 2020 Kia Telluride. I'm gonna show you real quick how to replace the battery. This baby has 115,000 miles. Alright, so come with me, let's get it. Shout out to the supporters, love your pulse. Make sure you can do it while the car is running or without the car running. Okay, we're gonna remove these clips. Okay, I want all the tools that I'm using for this project, I'm gonna put it in the product section. Okay, I'm gonna remove this intake that connects to the air filter, and the battery is right below it. Okay, we're gonna do that one. That's a 12 millimeter. First, we're gonna remove the safeties of the battery. So when we remove the terminals, we're ready to set the swap the battery. Okay, because when the car is running, you have like a limit time. Okay, so now that we remove the safety or the battery holder, now it's good to go. We just gotta loose these two terminals with a 10 millimeter. I'm gonna use a deep socket. Okay, that's a positive. The right side is negative. 10 millimeter deep socket. Pop. I'm gonna do both. Keep in mind the car is running. Okay, just gonna remove the cables. Keep in mind, like I said, the car is running. When you remove the terminals, it has no longer the power from the battery, so it's running with alternator power. Okay, and it's gonna be depleted, so we have to swap the battery real quick. Okay, that's the cover for the battery. I'm gonna use an interstate battery. Those are good, but kind of expensive though. Okay, but you good. You know, you get for what you pay. I'm saying, use that on in your life, on everything. Okay, so before we put the safety and all that, we're gonna connect the cables first. We're gonna connect the terminals, the ground, and then the power. And now you Gucci. Okay, now you don't have to like rush or something like that. You're good now. All you gotta do now is tie those terminals with the 10 millimeter socket, and you're almost there though. You have to put back the holder, the battery holder. I'm tapping it just so I can push the clamps all the way down. Okay. I'm sorry for the background noise. I'm hitting the terminals with the rubber side. By the way, now that you tie the terminals, pull back the safety, the holder, whatever you want to call it. That's so the ball doesn't pop out of there, that plate. So we're just gonna put it back, tie it, and we Gucci. The reason why I did it with the car running is because I don't want to mess around with the radio or the clock. I'm saying, like I said, you can do it with the car, shut it down, or with the car running. Okay, that's pretty much it. All right, you see the battery type MTX 94 MTX 94R H7. This is a 36 6-month frame replacement. Okay? CCA 850 CA 1000 RC. Alright, right below mark. So you see this sticker 723. That's the date. That's the date of the battery. Okay. And just so you know, so you have an idea. If the next time your battery die, you know when you install it. Okay. Now we put everything back. We put the clips back, and you all set. Easy, right? And I'm gonna leave it right here. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about it. If you did this project, tell me about your experience. And I wish you a happy holiday. Alright? So much love for the supporters. Thank you all. Pause. And God bless you all. Alright? Drive safe. Take care. Bye-bye.